Mr. Speaker, I rise to respond to the question raised by the Honourable Member, and I thank the Honourable Member for asking this question. But unfortunately, Mr. Speaker, this is the same question that was raised in the August Parliament sitting last year, and I responded to this. But anyway, I mean, always this happens, they don't listen to our responses carefully, and they ask, again and again. Mr. Speaker, the purpose of cold storage facility is basically to delay deterioration in case where farmers are not able to take the produce to the market. So the farmers in the area concerned in Sigatoka Valley, either they take their produce to the market, which is, most of them can reach the market within, 20 minutes, 15 minutes of the time, due to the good road, the Tassil road that some of you have been, criticizing. Mr. Speaker, or then the other category of farmers and entrepreneurs are the exporters who collect the produce from the farmers, then get the required volume, and then process it and export it. So for these exporters, we have assisted in establishing cold storage facility. There are 4 cold storage facilities for exporters at Sigatoka Valley, Chilean Export, Navosa Export, DK Export, and Mahendra Export. All of them, Ministry has assisted on a one-third basis, because these are our exporters. They do collect from farmers. They are the ones who need cold storage facilities, because they can't immediately get it to the market. They need to collect the required volume. So, Mr. Speaker, in addition to this, we also have cold storage facility at our research station right there in Sigatoka Valley, which is available to farmers if they want to keep their produce in case they are not able to get it to the exporter or to the market. Farmers some of them have used it, but most of the farmers are using that cold storage facility to keep their seeds for the next season at no charge to them. So, Mr. Speaker, we have cold storage facility at a number of research stations: the Cornebia research station, Senganga research station, Lengalenga research station, Sigatoka research station. All of these facilities are available to the farmers at no cost to them. They can keep the produce if they want to, and they're using, some of them are using it, Mr. Speaker. So, Mr. Speaker, establishing a cold storage facility is one thing, but to utilize it fully is another. We've got a cold storage facility that was constructed some time back at Kayasi at a cost of $45,000, funded by ADRA and also Ministry. But the cold storage facility is not at all utilized now. When we raise the issue with the farmers, then now they are saying is that we need assistance to, to grow crop to supply. Initially, they said that we are not growing because there's no cold storage facility. When we have the cold storage facility, they're saying that we need assistance to grow. So, Mr. Speaker, that is a white elephant there now, not utilized. So we don't want to establish cold storage facility when there is no supply. So basically, we want to ensure that when we make any investment, it should be fully utilized. So in Sigatoka Valley, there's no need for any other cold storage facility, because there is a cold storage facility at the Sigatoka research station.
Thank you.